The Rebel True-Ergo Table by Labconco is an electric sit-stand microscope station designed specifically for Discover Echo's Rebel Microscope. Here's how to unpack, assemble, and program your True-Ergo table. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver and bubble level. Inspect the carton and its contents for shipping damage. Verify that all parts are present before beginning assembly. If any parts are missing, contact Labconco for assistance. Begin by placing the tabletop upside down on a soft surface. Next, place the control box, up-down keypad, and cord retaining clip onto the tabletop. The control box should be positioned with the plug-in port facing in the opposite direction of the up-down keypad. Secure each item to the pre-drilled holes in the tabletop using the Phillips screws included. Use caution when attaching screws. Over-tightening may cause damage. Next, place the table legs into the pre-mounted cradle on the base of the tabletop. The length of the leg should be positioned on the outside edge when placed into each cradle. Using the included Allen wrench, attach each leg with 6 of the included hex head screws. Be sure to fully tighten all screws to ensure that the table is stable. Now that the legs are installed, connect the cable from each leg into the control box. The cable from the leg on the side with the up-down keypad will plug into port M2. The cable from the opposing leg will plug into port M1. Next, connect the cable from the up-down keypad into port HS on the control box. A pre-mounted cable retainer is located between the keypad and the control box to secure this cable. Remove the screw from the retainer, slide the cable inward, and replace the screw to secure. Complete the table legs by installing a stabilizer foot on each leg. Place the stabilizer onto the first leg and position the long end of the stabilizer towards the up-down keypad. Check that the feet of the stabilizer are facing upward. Using the included Allen wrench, secure the stabilizer with 4 of the included hex head screws. Repeat the process for the other leg. Next, connect the power cord into the AC port on the cable box. Secure the cable by slipping it under the cord clip located behind the control box. Using 2 or more people, flip the table over and move to your desired location. Continue by placing the scope carrier plate over the pre-installed adjustment bolts located in the scope sump. Next, slide the scope insert into the table until the magnetic catch engages. If the insert is not flush with the tabletop, use the 4 adjustment bolts located beneath the insert to fine-tune for a flush fit. Using the Allen wrench mounted under the left side of the sump support, loosen the bolts, adjust, and retighten when the insert becomes flush with the tabletop. You are now ready to install the Rebel Microscope. Remove the scope insert and place the Rebel onto the scope carrier plate. Then replace the scope insert. If the Rebel stage is not level, leveling bolts located underneath the microscope sump may be adjusted using the Allen wrench from step 9. Turning the bolts clockwise will raise the microscope stage, while turning the bolts counterclockwise will lower the microscope stage. In the next step, you will need a bubble level. Begin by checking the tabletop's leveling, placing the level left to right, front to back, and diagonally. Depending on your floor's evenness, you may need to adjust the table using the leveling feet located underneath the leg stabilizers. To finish installation of your table, plug the power cord into an appropriately rated and grounded electrical outlet. Verify that the table raises and lowers by pressing the up and down arrows on the keypad. The table has 4 memory slots for user-specific height settings. To save the current height position, press the M button, followed by the desired memory slot number. The memory slot number must be pressed within 2 seconds of pressing the M button. Your installation is now complete.